Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this plantain bread with plantain and almond flour. If you're interested in this video, watch it to the end and also help me to share. So what you need for this recipe, you need green plantain. You can as well use the ripe plantain, but if you're diabetic, green plantain is the best option for you. So I'm just going to peel it off and then chop it into smaller size, put it in my blender and blend. This is really simple to make, guys. If you no longer eat our regular bread, try this plantain recipe. You are going to love it. Like, it tastes so delicious, no different with our regular bread. So as you can see, I slice it into smaller size, and then next I put it in my blender. Next, I'm going to add dates on it. You can as well use sugar, but if you're diabetic, why not use dates on it? I added sunflower oil and I added egg on it. You can as well use butter, melted butter, if you don't have oil to add, okay? Blend it very, very smooth. When I say smooth, make sure it's very, very smooth because you don't want to be seeing dates or plantain inside your bread. So I'm going to transfer it into my bowl like you can see, and then I'm going to go in with my grinded almond nut flour. You can buy the flour in the market, or you can buy almond, peel off the skin and then grind it yourself. So I went in with baking powder. You can use baking powder or baking soda. Make sure you mix it up very well. You don't want to be seeing baking powder on your plantain bread once you bake it. And then I'm going to go in with the almond flour. I'm making use of 1.5 cup. Put it inside and then go in with some almond seed on it and then mix it up very, very well. Once I'm done mixing up, I'm going to butter my pan and then transfer it into it. It is that simple. Who say you no go eat bread because you are diabetic? Try this recipe, you are going to love it. So as you can see, I buttered my pan and transfer it into it like this. Lastly, I'm just going to go in with almond seed on it, which is totally optional, okay? Then I'm going to bake it in the oven. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, does it look like something you would love to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. So I bake it in the oven until it is golden brown. And then that is it. Take a look at this. Are you going to make yours? Let me know in the comment section. It came out nice and it tastes very delicious. Try this recipe. You are going to enjoy it and you're not going to stop making it for yourself. Just take a look at this. Does it look like something you are going to try? It look like bread, abi no look like bread? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.